Hi guys, it's Wednesday, May 13th, day 3. Our learning targets today are I can identify the difference between a debatable and non-debatable topic or claim. I can identify or generate a controversial topic of interest to use for my embedded assessment. You'll be doing more of that tomorrow, but you can start thinking about that. Establishing a claim that's debatable or non-debatable. There's a Schoology activity I'm going to show you, but first we're going to look at the next slide. So this is available for you so that if you need to remind yourself what's an example of debatable and non-debatable, you can look at this and reread it after we go through it in 1 second while it's loading. All right, claims that are debatable. A claim must be something that people could reasonably have differing opinions on. If your claim is something that is generally agreed upon or accepted as fact, there is no reason to try and convince people. So that would be non-debatable. So here is an example of a non-debatable claim. Air pollution is bad for the environment. This claim is not debatable. First, the word pollution means that is something bad or negative in some way. Further, all studies agree that air pollution is a problem. They simply disagree on the impact it will have or the scope of the problem. No one could reasonably argue that air pollution is good. All right, so just that claim itself as air pollution is bad for the environment would not work. Okay, here's an example of a debatable claim talking about air pollution. So you got to be more specific. At least 25% of the federal budget should be spent on limiting air pollution. This claim is debatable because reasonable people can disagree with it. Some people might think that this is how we should spend the nation's money. Others might feel this amount is too much to spend to limit air pollution. Still, others could argue that corporations, not the government, should be paying to limit air pollution. All right, so there was a more specific thing versus just saying it's bad. Well, we all know it's bad. Now, in the folder, so if I go back to the folder, there is a link with like 10 different things and their topics, and all you're going to do is select whether it's debatable or not debatable. So just kind of giving you a feel of things that could be. So you're going to go through and it says true, false, but when you go to pick it, it'll tell you debatable or non-debatable. So you're going to pick that. There's like 10 of them, I believe. If we look through, yep, there's 10. You're just going to do that to see if you know what's debatable and not debatable. And that's it for today. So I do want to just quick talk about Thursday when, oops, I went out of the wrong one. On Thursday, you're going to be watching a presentation from Mrs. Nelson, our media specialist. Right here, and it's a slideshow. There's a couple videos in there, and I'll talk more about it on Thursday's video, but that's where I'm going to give you the list of debate topics for middle school. So there's going to be a list of them, and you'll pick one of them, or if you have a different one you might want, then you need to figure out what's the claim and the counterclaim for your topic. So you could start doing some research. Google, debatable topics for middle school, and you can look at different ones. But she's going to give you some resources to find your evidence to do your slideshow. So it's really important on Thursday that you do watch all that. And then that's what you'll use to see, because you might list some things that you think you want to talk about, but you can't find any evidence for it, then you wouldn't want to use that. So Wednesday's nice, short and sweet. Thursday, again, I'll make a little video to talk about hers and show you a little bit on hers, but just keep that in mind. You're going to be picking on Thursday after watching her video and looking through the topics and doing a little research, which ones you're going to want to do. And then Friday and Monday, you're going to pick your topic and come up with some 5 different claims and counterclaims for your topic, and then that'll be for Friday and Monday. And then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, there's a chart you're going to be filling out to put down your claim or counterclaim, whichever side you're doing, and evidence. So it's all really laid out for you for the rest of the year. I did make a quick little thing kind of showing what we are, just at a glance, some things, what the rest of the school year looks like. So just real quick, tomorrow, or Wednesday, is debatable versus non-debatable topics. Thursday's going to be the lesson from Mrs. Nelson, researching, and then you're going to pick your topic. Friday and Monday, you're going to work on a T-chart. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you're going to do some evidence notes that we created for you. And we created your slideshow, so you're not going to create one. You're going to use our template and fill it in. But you're going to work on that Friday, Monday, or Friday, Tuesday, because there's no school Monday, and then Wednesday, Thursday, and then turn it in Friday, the 29th. Okay, that's right before Labor Day. And then there's the last 3 days of school. So just kind of giving you an outlook of the rest of the school year. It's all planned out, but again, it's very, very important that you keep up with these T-charts, evidence notes, because that information is going to go into your slideshow. So make sure you stay on top of your assignments. All right, have a great day. Bye.